Let's shift our attention now to a very, very disturbing rerun of the Nirbhaya horror, where a woman was assaulted and raped in a bus in Pune. The accused has been identified and a massive manhunt has been launched by the police. Following the brutal attack, the opposition is also up in arms against the Mahayuti Sarkar, while the BJP-led Maharashtra government has assured the harshest punishment for the guilty. The incident took place in the early hours at the Swargate bus stand. The victim was reportedly waiting for a bus when a man approached her and led her to a parked bus under a false pretense and then attacked her and raped her in the parked bus just meters away from the police station. This attack has sparked outrage across the city and led to a political as well as public protest demanding justice for the victim and stricter safety measures for women.
है ये यहाँ पर सर्विस करती है। वो अपने गांव जा रही थी तो वो 5:30 6:30 के दरमियान बस स्टैंड में थी। तो उस टाइम पे ये आरोपी जो है उसके पास आया, उसने उससे पहचान बनाई और मीठा मीठा बात करके फिर ये पीछे से अंदर गया और दरवाजा बंद किया। उसके बाद उसने उसके साथ ये गलत हरकत की। तो फिर लड़की पुलिस स्टेशन में आई। उसके आने के बाद हमने इमीडिएटली कंप्लेंट ले ली है, उसकी कॉग्निजेंस लिया है और सीसीटीवी फुटेज निकलवाया, तो जिससे हमें आरोपी का पता चला है और उसका रिकॉग्नाइजेशन हो गया है आरोपी का। अब उसको हमारी टीम ढूंढ रहे हैं। एक 7-8 टीम हमने तैयार की है जो जिले में हर जगह पे उसको जहाँ जहाँ पर हमको क्लू मिलता है वहाँ पर ढूंढ रहे हैं। कल रात डॉग स्पॉट भी गया था, जिस गांव का वो है वहाँ पर के खेत खलियान, वहाँ पर भी उसको ढूंढने की कोशिश की। आरोपी का नाम है दत्तात्रेय रामदास गाड़े करके और महिला ठीक है फिजिकली और मेंटली वो अभी कूल है। या जरूर रहेगा क्योंकि वहाँ पर हुआ है, एक बस में ये मैटर हुआ है तो वहाँ की भी सिक्योरिटी है, वो भी क्या कर रहे थे ये भी देखना जरूरी है और वहाँ के क्या रूल्स रेगुलेशन है जिसके तहत ये सिक्योरिटी के लिए वो लोग क्या करते हैं ये भी हम जांच में जरूर लेंगे।
The police have now identified the suspect as 36-year-old Dattatreya Ramdas after studying the CCTV footage and launching a massive manhunt for the accused, who is now said to be absconding. 8 special police teams have been formed and a special canine sniffer unit has also been pressed into action. The NDA Sarkar has also suspended 23 security guards who were posted at the bus stand when the incident occurred. The depot manager and traffic controller have been questioned and an inquiry has also been sought to be submitted within 1 week. We have in fact more breaking updates coming in. The Maharashtra government is all set to hold an emergency meeting at the Mantralaya this afternoon. The Maharashtra Transport Minister has also ordered the disposal of all the scrap buses, claiming that they have become the hub of illegal activities. So that's the update coming in. Some action being taken. All of the buses that are non-functional are going to be scrapped. They're going to be moved from the bus station because it was in one of these parked buses where the unfortunate incident took place. Today, an emergency meeting has also been called. My colleague Shrishti is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Shrishti, there's a lot of anger, protests, seeking accountability and seeking justice for the victim. Amid that, an emergency meeting has been called. What are the steps that have been taken by the government so far?
Well, of course, now action has been initiated.
All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Shrishti there. So the Maharashtra government has called for an emergency meeting. This meeting has been called at the Mantralaya this afternoon, and the focus is going to be on this particular incident as well as ensuring safety for women across Maharashtra. Shrishti is back with us. Yes, Shrishti, go on.
Of course, now action has been initiated by the state government. Entire incident unfolded, which is very horrific. A 26-year-old girl was raped in that particular state government bus, and importantly what comes across is that now a lot of actions has been initiated. First of all, 23 security guards has been suspended and inquiry report is demanded from the transport ministry, from the officials, considering the fact that this entire incident unfolded, and they will be submitting their report in a week. Now also there is a cognizance which has been taken, suo motu cognizance that has been taken by the NCW as well. They have also mentioned that the report should be submitted within 3 days. Also now, today, there is a crucial meeting in Mantralaya Transport ministers, CM Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy Chief Ministers of Maharashtra are most likely to be present. What comes across is that now pressure is mounting on state government, specifically Mahayuti Sarkar, because they always talk about Ladki Behan, they always talk about the schemes which they are bringing in to empower women. But if such incidences are happening, that is a jolt to Mahayuti government. It is a black spot on their image because they have came into power in or some or the other way because of the
Okay.
women-related schemes which they have brought in the state of Maharashtra. But now such instances which are happening
Okay,
in the
so this
city.
emergency meeting is going to focus on ensuring that action is taken in this incident while also ensuring overall security is stepped up and women's safety is going to be the top priority. Shrishti, I request you to stay with us. The National Commission for Women has also taken cognizance of the case and urged the police to take immediate action, calling the incident a brutal violation of a woman's right to safety and dignity. The Women Rights Panel has demanded swift justice for the victim and urged for the immediate action to apprehend the accused and ensure that he is held accountable for his crime. In fact, the Transport Minister has ordered a departmental inquiry against the Assistant Transport Superintendent at Swargate and also the bus depot manager. The Transport Minister has in fact instructed to suspend them if they are found to be at fault in this inquiry. Also, instructions have been given to replace all the security personnel who are deputed at the bus depot with new security personnel. The Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation making this announcement that there are going to be some big changes. The Transport Minister stepping in and saying a departmental inquiry has to be conducted and there should be a look at what were the lapses that led to this unfortunate incident. And the security officials who were deployed there at the time of the incident are all being replaced. New security personnel being deputed there. So action being taken by the government, but questions continue to come in on why the incident was even allowed to happen. And is it just a stopgap measure that will be put in place now, or is there going to be security for women all through in the state? With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. To stay with us.